In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that contains a position multiplier. In our case we are trading 5 positions at once. Let's stop the expert advisor, click on expert properties, inputs, number of positions to trade, and increase the value to 10. Confirm it with OK. I start another test, and this time our expert advisor is trading 10 positions. And now we are going to find out how to code an expert advisor in MQL4 that is able to offer a user adjustable value that can be changed without changing the source code. To do that, please click on the little button here or press F4 on your keyboard. And now you should see the Metaeditor window, and here you want to click on File, New, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this one SimplePositionMultiplier. Click on Continue, Continue and Finish. And now you can remove everything above the OnTick function and the 2 command lines here. So now let's create an external variable for the number of positions to trade. That will be called NumberOfPositionsToTrade. Most coders like to use short names, and a few weeks afterwards they ask themselves, what the hell is this variable doing? But I think if you invest a few seconds to type in a good name for the variable, is always time that is good invested. Okay, in the OnTick function we want to create a double variable that is called candle1 close, and it contains the value for the close price of candle 1. Let's do that same thing again, but this time we call it candle2 close because it contains the close price for candle 2. And now we want to stack a few conditions to open a new trade. If orders total delivers a value that is below the number of positions to trade we have defined here. And if that is the case, we come to our second condition. The second condition is we want to test if the last close price was higher than the close price before. And that would be the case if the candle 1 close price is bigger than the candle 2 close price. The current candle is always candle 0. This is candle 1, the candle before is candle 2, and so on. So if this expression is true, our price is higher now. And now we want to send a buy order. That is done by using the order send statement. To find out about all the different parameters here, just watch the simple buy order video. Basically we buy 10 micro lots and our take profit will be 150 points above the ask price. And when you're done you can click on the little compile button here or press F7 on your keyboard. That worked without any errors. So now we can click here or press F4 to go back to MetaTrader. And in MetaTrader, please click on View, Strategy Tester or press Ctrl and R. Now select the SimplePositionMultiplier.ex4 file we just have created. Enable the visual mode here. Set the expert properties. Let's say we want to have 3 trades. Click on OK and start your test. And this time we see 3 open trades on the chart. And now you know how to create an expert advisor that is able to deliver a user-defined variable that can be adjusted by the user when he clicks on expert properties, and you have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL4 code.